Assalamualaikum. Today we are going to learn how to make this distorted image design on any banner or any rectangular image in like less than a minute or so. Stay with us till the end. It's a very short video. If you have any problem, comment in the comment section. Do like, share and subscribe. Everyone, Assalamualaikum. In today's session we are going to learn that how you can just distort an image and fit into any frame, but the frame needs to be rectangular. So today we are going to work on the rectangle frames. For example, you have this billboard design. I actually took this design from Pinterest. You can go to Pinterest and find any design. Okay, and you have an image. So you go to Canva, you just upload this image and then you go to any of the selected image. For example, I want to fit this image to this billboard. Now if I try doing this by just like moving it here and there, it won't actually fit in this, right? So what we are going to do is that firstly we are going to increase the size of this image. I'll tell you why we are increasing the size of this image. The reason so that it can hide the billboard behind it. Then we are going to go to the app section and we are going to search distortly. Okay, you are just going to search distortly, and this first app that appears, you're going to go there and you're going to download this app, or you have the permission. I've already downloaded it. So once you download it, make sure that the frame you want to fit your image in is actually behind the picture and the picture is large enough. The reason being for this is that when you actually do the free distortion, so it creates a frame. So if your frame that you want to fit the image is not in the frame, distortly will create so the image won't fit in this. For example, if this is small and I took the free design, so see, this frame is just this, so I cannot just move my image outside. So we're going to close without saving, and then I'm going to increase the size, and then we're going to go to free. So now the space is big enough. Now I can easily fit my image. So you're going to drag the corners from one end and you're going to perfectly fit the image onto this billboard. It's all free and you don't need any premium version for this. It's just a small video to let you know. I know most people might be struggling with their brands to how to fit the image. So you can like easily do it. If I spend more time, I'll do it more neatly, but to just make the video short, we're going to save and close this up and see the image is actually fit into this. So that's all for today's session. If you want anything else, you can just let me know comment section if you have any questions. See you in the next session. Bye.